everybody. We are at the Hotel Indigo Brickell down in the Miami area, an IHG. We did get upgraded to a king suite, and we did that because we have status. And how do you get status? Link down below, just from the credit card there. So, nice hotel, super friendly. There's the front door. And we are just here for one night. And lots of storage by the front door. They even got that pocket up on top. Open these up, see what they got. Iron down there, ironing board. And this is always nice, which I'm seeing less and less. Extra blankets, sheets, and pillow. I'm assuming that's because this is probably a bed, I'm guessing, on the couch. Sitting area here, which is nice. TV. Got another TV in here where the bedroom is. Huge desk. Huge desk. Nice sitting there. This will be nice for the luggage right there. Right there for the luggage. That will be nice. Got the safe. Got your water. Whole bunch of drawers. Here we go. Fridge. Let's take a peek at the fridge. Wide open. And it is cold. So we have something. We came down on the Bright Line, the train from Orlando, which is nice. So got some coffee, K-cups. Looks pretty good right there. And king bed, 2 nightstands. And if you see the nightstands, as you guys know, watch my videos, they are the same height as the bed, maybe hill of. So same height or above, that's what nightstands should be, which is nice. You can tell this nightstand over there had the clock, but it also has a radio that you can hook your phone to. That's kind of nice. And we'll look at the view here in a second. The bathroom, let's take a peek in here. Nice bathroom. Got the hooks there, towel. Nice sink, lots of space on this sink. That's nice. That's real nice. Good toilet and huge shower right here. Very large shower. And doors right here to the shower. Let's take a peek at our view here. And let's raise this up so you can see. There we go. And right over the pool. It's right there. You can see there's some apartments across the way here. I don't think those are hotels. I think those are actual apartments. The way they're kind of decorated inside there and everything there. So, but nice overlooking the pool here. That's it here. We'll show you a little more later. Thanks. Bye. Okay. Pool is open from dusk to dawn. Or dawn to dusk, I guess I should say. Dawn to dusk all day, light hours. So I couldn't film it last year. We had in late last night. We'll go over to the other side there, get you in the corner, take a look over the edge. Our room is right. We're 2 above. This is the 6th floor. So we are right there. I just closed the curtain so you can get light in. But we'll get a nice shot of the pool here. It's not huge, but it looks nice. Nice place to hang out and chill out. And let's take a peek over here. Back parking lot. Nice place to hang out. Let's take a peek over the edge here, see if there's anything to look at over here. Oh, that's nice water, filtered water fountain right there. That's kind of nice. And up the other side of the building, kind of get a little street. There's construction going on. Some more apartments. There's a lot of apartments here, right in this area here. I mean, you got a building, apartment, 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 apartment. Apartments all down there. A lot of apartments here. where we ate last night, Hampton Social. Whole area to hang out, and for a Wednesday night, it was pretty busy. Thinking for a Wednesday night, all this stuff there. So there's the pool.